In this video, I will give you 3 methods on how you can charge your AirPods 4. Now for the first method, just look at the bottom of your AirPods. Over here, you will find the USB Type-C charging port. Now to charge your AirPods, just plug in any USB Type-C cable to the charging port. Now after you do that, you will see this orange LED on your AirPods case, which indicates that your AirPods has started charging. Now this was the first method. The second method is that you can charge your AirPods using your iPhone. For that, just bring your iPhone, and also you will need a charging cable. Now I will plug in one end of the charging cable to our AirPods, then plug the other end of the charging cable to your iPhone. Now if you're using an older iPhone, you will have a lightning charging port, but if you have a newer iPhone, you will find a USB Type-C charging port. Now as you can see, as I plug the other end of the charging cable to my iPhone, our AirPod will start charging, just like that. Now this was the second method. The third method is that you can charge your AirPods wirelessly. But just remember that this method will only work on the ANC version of the AirPods 4. As you know, there are two versions of the AirPods 4. The first version is the normal version, and the second version is the version which supports active noise cancellation or ANC. And the ANC version supports wireless charging. Currently, we have the ANC version, and as you can see over here, we have a wireless charger. And as you can see, it is turned on. Now, if I place our AirPods 4 on the wireless charger, as you can see, it has started charging. But if you have the AirPods 4 which does not have ANC, it will not support wireless charging, just like that. And these are the methods on how you can charge your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.